Hello my friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Zulfan Ainurido. I'm from Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic, Tidar University. In here, I will explain the basic concept of management, which consists of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. Okay, I will start from here. The word management takes the concept of the word managed from English, which means to manage, organize, and plan. Broadly speaking, the concept of management does teach the governance of a company so that all its activities can be well controlled. The person who is responsible for the management of the company is referred to as a manager. He must master management concept well, not only in theory but also in practice in the field. Management concept function. Number 1. Planning or organizing. In pursuing target and goals, planning is needed so that all process can be measured and monitored. Planning shows a step clearly outlined about ideas and practice in the field. Number 2. Organizing. A plan will not work well without a good arrangement. This process delegates tasks to those who have the expertise so that they can be effective and on target. Number 3. Direction or actuating. The task of management in this case is the manager is to direct his team and related parties to do everything according to the plans that have been made previously. The manager is in charge of providing instruction and approval of the course of the process. Number 4. Supervision or controlling. When all plans are executed, the next step is monitoring. This needs to be done so that no process is less than optimal or deviates from the process initial plan. In this case, the manager also periodically evaluates the existing plans. When conducting supervision, manager must adhere to several concepts, namely routing, schedule, dispatching, and follow-up. Management concept. As knowledge, management becomes a reference of basic for decision making science in companies and human life in general. With management, the reasons and process people work together can be measured and evaluated. As an art, management is not just a theory. It moves flexibly like an art that can sometimes be unpredictable. When in the field, management is needed to be able to work flexibly in facing all challenges. As a profession, this refers to the profession of a manager or management staff who work professionally for the company and earn a salary according to their expertise. As a process, just as the word means, management is a way of managing, which means it takes time to achieve the desired result. This process is closely related to the management function within the company. Kind of management concepts. Number one, production management. Broadly speaking, production management is a planning and management of everything that has to do with the process of procuring goods and services. In designing each plan, the available production factor must be considered. Factors such as raw material, place of production, quality of material until the final product produced determines a production can be said to be successful. In order to improve quality, management must be able to manage all these factors to bring profit to the company. Number two, human resource management or HRM. To improve the quality of the company and also increase revenue, it must be supported by quality human resource as well. The responsibility for finding and forming such human resource is the responsibility of management. In addition, management must also be able to create positive relationship between HR so that the process of carrying out management plans can run smoothly because there is no conflict. Number 3, marketing management. In order to make a profit, company management is required to be able to think creatively and dynamically in marketing their products. In addition to promotion, management must also be able to evaluate and analyze every action that has been made. If it is not effective, it must be replaced with a new plan. In addition, product branding, making business statistics, recognizing the target market and other forms of marketing concept must also be handled properly. Number 4. Financial management. The management team must work together with other parties in the company to carry out economic activities as efficiently as possible, but can bring large profits. In addition, the management team is responsible for planning, checking, managing, budgeting, funding, and storing capital and profit earned by the company. This activity must run continuously so that the company can operate stably. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.